Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to set up Excel on your laptop. First, confirm your laptop meets the system requirements for Excel. You'll need a compatible operating system and sufficient storage. Next, ensure you have a valid Microsoft 365 subscription or a one-time purchase license for Excel. This is crucial for activation. Finally, download the official Microsoft Office installer, packaged directly from Microsoft's website, to begin the process. Once downloaded, find the installer file, usually in your Downloads folder, and double-click it. The setup wizard will guide you through. Accept the license terms and conditions to proceed. You can select a quick installation for default settings or a custom installation to choose specific components. The installation typically takes a few minutes, depending on your laptop's speed and internet connection. After installation, open Excel by searching for it in your Start menu or Applications list. The first time you launch it, you'll likely be prompted to sign in. Use the Microsoft account associated with your Microsoft 365 subscription or product key. This step activates your software. Once signed in, Excel should be fully functional, allowing you to create and edit spreadsheets immediately. Now that Excel is set up, consider customizing some basic settings. You can adjust themes, default fonts, and save locations through the File and Options menu. For quick access, right-click the Excel icon on your taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. Remember, there are many online resources and tutorials available to help you master Excel's powerful features and shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.